Reverse parking. This video will explain the procedure that you must use when you reverse into a parking space. In order to do the maneuver correctly, you will need space which is at least 1.5 times the length of your car. The maneuver starts at this position. You will drive forward and stop alongside the leading vehicle about 2 foot away and parallel to it, with the front of the leading vehicle in line with the door mirror. Then select reverse gear and drive backward, steering into the gap to bring your vehicle close to the curb and parallel to it. You must straighten up fully and finish within car space. Now we will explain how to perform the maneuver. The car ahead of you is the one you will be reversing round. So the first part of the maneuver must be to move off and drive up alongside the vehicle. Remember to make the necessary checks before you move off and stopping. Stop a little ahead of the red car, so your door mirror is aligned with the front of the red car, and keep about 1 door length distance away from the side of the red car. Once stopped, remember to cancel your indicator if you applied it. Now apply the handbrake, then select reverse gear, regardless of any approaching traffic, as your reverse light will provide them with your intention to reverse. When you are happy it is all clear, look in the direction that the car is traveling, which is out of the rear window, then proceed to move the car backwards. Keep the car very slow. Think of a slow walking pace to give you an idea. Good clutch control is required to keep the car this slow. When you can see the rear of the parked car in the middle of your left side rear door window, it means you have passed the rear of the car, and it is safe to start to move into the space. Now, whilst reversing you will be steering to the left. This is called the point of turn, and the front of your car will swing out into the road. This is the most hazardous part of the maneuver. Before moving the car or steering, take all-round effective observation. This includes your right blind spot, in case there may be cyclists you can't see in the mirrors. If you are happy it is all clear, look in the direction the car is traveling, out the rear windscreen, and very slowly move the car backwards. Just as you move the car, steer 1 complete turn to the left. Align your passenger side door mirror up with the rear right corner of the red car. This is the point in which you steer 1 turn to the right, to straighten the wheels. You will now need to look at the next reference point. This is the point in which you steer 1 more complete turn to the right. Keep glancing at the left door mirror, and wait until the curb disappears from the view. That's the time to turn to the right. In your left mirror, there is a triangle formed between the curb and the side of your car. Keep reversing until the triangle has disappeared. Another reference would be to wait until you see right corner of the parked car in the left side of your windscreen. Whilst reversing to this reference point, you will need constant all-round observation and likely needing to stop if any vehicles approach at this point. Whichever reference point you use, once you reach it, stop. By stopping at each reference point, it breaks down the maneuver, allowing you to look around more, and slowing it down. Now, wait till the curb appears on the left mirror again, and when the side of the car is parallel with the curb in the mirror, or when you see the car is straight, by looking at the parked car ahead, turn your steering one complete turn to the left, to straighten the wheels. If you need to move forward to correct your position, you may do so. Once stopped, apply the handbrake and select neutral. 1 left when you see the rear of the parked car in the middle of your left side rear door window. 1 right when your passenger side door mirror aligns with the rear right corner of the parked car. 1 right when the curb disappears from the view in the left mirror. 1 left as the curb and your car look parallel in the left mirror.